Hey guys, this is Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and today I'm gonna try something I've never done before once again. Some of you guys just saw my short that I posted where I basically hacked the MR-1, and instead of going 100 inches a minute, I'm no longer limited to 100 inches a minute. So I wanna see what happens if I turn this up to 235 inches a minute. Now, it may just stall. I don't know if the spindle has enough power, but I'm gonna go 3/4 deep, 30,000 step over, 8,000 RPMs, 230 inches a minute. It's like a 9 thou chip load. This end mill should definitely be able to do it. Let's see if the machine can do it, or if it just crashes. Well, there you go. It works. 230 inches a minute in the Langmuir system's MR-1. Once again, this is not factory, this isn't stock, but that's a lot of material in a very short amount of time. Now, it looks like the ramp rates are still low. Maybe I can turn those up as well, because you saw it slow down hardcore on those corners. So there's a chance I could speed those up, but we'll see what we can do. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love answering questions and learning new things from you guys. We'll see you later.